This one?
Yes!
I know, I like this one too. I didn't want to share. Is that good?
She's showing off.
No, Camille, don't touch it. Come here. Okay. Come on. Come on. Come here. So we have a package. I got this online. I have watched so many of these videos, the snack crate videos, and so I wanted to try it. What do you think?
I think let's do
I
it.
ripped off the little tape and the bottom of the box got messed up and it's like broken right here. That was like that, but let's see. Camille. This is, can you sound that out? Turkey.
Turkey, you have to be kidding me. Turkey is a stick?
Okay.
How is that impossible?
So, this month's crate is from Turkey. So, we have some snacks. I think some stickers for Marin. So, we got some stickers. This one's a cool little sticker too. And then,
there's our lunch.
okay.
Oh my gosh, they gave us candy.
I know, there's a bunch of little candies. Let me just show off the little box. This was only $1 when I ordered this. It was like their $1 trial box. Come here. So this is what all came in the box.
Oh my gosh.
In our little snack crate for only $1. So, we want to try these first.
I'll try one.
Crispy.
Ooh. They're like
Torticoli cracker. Oh my god. And there's like peppers on it. So.
I might not like this. Okay, no.
Smell it. Oh!
Look, where's me? Camille!
Oh, that's not what I expected. I expected little chips. They look like they're gonna be like Ruffles and they're literally crackers.
Hot.
Try it. We'll see if
This is good. It tastes like,
try it, Camille. Nummies?
it tastes like pizza chips.
What? That's right. It does, huh?
Yeah.
Eti Cicolata. It looks like.
It looks like a zucchini.
Show it to the camera. I'm gonna see. Does it say what's in here?
I think it's mint inside.
Chocolate pistachio sticks. Oh, and then the crispy thing was a crispy ridge spice cracker.
The green
Ooh,
thing?
paprika.
What's that?
So this is chocolate pistachio sticks. It's milk chocolate stick filled with crushed pistachio. Ooh.
Ooh, that sounds good. I'm gonna try. Oh. Wow, that is good. Kind of tastes like a Kit Kat.
Oh my god, Sam.
Taste it.
It has pistachios in it.
It tastes like a Kit Kat.
Wow. Can you not?
Good.
I know, I like this one. That's so good.
Yes.
Okay. Next, what do you want to try next?
This because this looks good.
This is Ochre Albany. Let me see. It's an Albany bar. Albany. So this one, it looks like a Twix.
Yes.
A sweet and crunchy biscuit covered in caramel, then dipped in rich milk chocolate.
That sounds good. I think I like
It looks like a
caramel.
fat Twix. That's what it looks like.
It looks like a little log of ink.
Oh, it's not a Twix. That's good.
Oh yeah.
Great. She wanted some.
Oh, what the flavor that came after the Tootsie Pop?
Oh, wow, yeah, something else came. Something else is in there.
I think it's the milk and the chocolate.
It's the milk. I don't know. I don't know how
It tastes good.
Okay, you think so. Let's try.
It's with caramel.
Brittany, is this the same one? Olker Cicolata. Here, have another crispy cracker.
They have funny names on these.
Thank you. She said, thank you. Yeah. So this is Cicolatali or Cicolatali Golf Red.
Okay.
Wow, I butchered that, I'm sure.
Camille likes that thing.
Layers of crispy wafer sandwiched together with chocolate chocolate cream and then dipped in milk chocolate. This sounds delicious. It's like a Kit Kat? No. Is that good?
She's showing off.
You monster.
You little monster eating cookie. How's it taste?
Oh, is that hazelnut?
No. Oh, yeah. Wow.
It doesn't say hazelnut, but I tasted in there. That's good.
I taste hazelnut.
Oh, wait. Did I read the wrong one?
Camille.
No, I see the one that says hazelnut. That's not it, but this is good. Oh.
They don't say that there's hazelnut.
Want some?
It's like a big. Oh, she likes that.
That one's so good.
Yeah, let's try that one.
Etty Pop Cake with banana.
Camille's gonna love that. I think so.
Hopefully she does. A sweet sponge cake filled with banana cream, then dipped in milk chocolate.
That sounds good.
Wow, I can smell the banana.
Oh yeah, I can.
You can just smell it.
You can smell like a sunseed. Is it good? I'm gonna try.
I don't think I got banana cream yet.
Oh, it kind of in the middle.
There's the cream, I see it.
Yeah. Oh yeah, I see it right here.
No, that's a big bite. Ah.
Yum. She can do it. Oh, she just swallowed it. You crazy little kid.
I don't like that one.
I love it.
You go for it, girl. Not a fan. The cat.
Oh, that's a weird name.
Cut. Cut. Puff pastry with hazelnut cocoa cream.
I'm not. What? Powder.
This is the one that looks like it got damaged by the freaking
hazelnut. I'm gonna tell Dad to try this.
This is a mess. Like a super mess. I don't know if it's because my box was broken or if this is what this is like.
I think that's what like. Is it good? Crunching in your mouth. Give me a one.
So it's good. Oh, cool. Mess on the carpet. It's like really dry though. It's like a pie crust. It's super flaky. Careful. See? That's why I didn't want you to do that. Yeah, it's very dry.
Yeah, I don't like this one. It's way too dry.
And it's very broken.
Yes.
I feel like I kind of might like it though.
No, Camille.
There's a bunch of little candies in there. You're not gonna eat those right now. Oh, have one. Have one. I don't know. See what they're like.
Camille.
Oh, it says right here, Taya's Damla. These delicious fruit flavored chews feature a burst of fruity filling in the center. We have included several for you to try. Okay.
Oh, I like this color. Look at it. We got this in color. Wow, that's super hard. I just like the color.
Oh, what gum?
Wow. It is hard gum. Ooh. I got lemon. Cooking. I think it's gum. Ooh.
I am for my jaw.
Like a Jolly Rancher.
Not a fan. Well, what was your favorite thing?
Mine, you know what it was.
No, I know. That's why I asked. What was your favorite thing?
I like the most thing.
The what?
The most favorite thing that I liked is the one that you picked up first.
This one?
Yes!
I know. I like this one too. I didn't want to share.
Mommy.
That one's good.
I think I'm
Want some, Sissy? That one's so good.
Yes!
The pistachio one's pretty good too.
Which pistachio? Oh yeah, that's my really favorite one of this one too. I love this.
I know.
What is that? What?
Sin pie? We didn't get that.
What?
Cause see, we got the mini, so it's all these on top. And then the original includes all of these. Is there another one? Oh my god, and then premium included all of those.
Come here, stick your head on.
I didn't get all those. Oh, they have a drink.
Oh, that sounds good.
Cool.
No.
So that was fun. I liked it. I kind of think we love Snack Crate now. And this one was only $1. Like, I saw it on Black Friday and they were like, it's only $1. And so I was like, okay. Because I love watching the videos. Okay.
To make
Come here.
you just tap
Come
the
here.
screen. You tap the screen.
Come here. Oh, I love her. So I love this. I love watching the Snack Crate people. I don't know if they have a certain name, but I like to watch them when they do the little Snack Crate videos. So I was so excited to have my own.
Wiley.
You know we love snacks.
So
good.
Chips.
Me and my children.
You wanted me this little one.
You're good? What? I'm kind of full. So this was us not doing Vlogmas because we've already missed so many days, but we're going to do our own thing, I guess. Camille is literally going to knock over my camera right now, and she's having a great time. Camille, I'm going to get a snack.
Snacky. That's just my favorite. It's like a choco chunk. That's a big bite.
Don't eat the plastic.
Another bite.
So apparently I need to buy my own because these kids are gonna eat mine.
Bye-bye.
Camille, come here. Say bye-bye. Mwah. Mwah.
Aww.
Oh, yay. Oh, Christmas tree. Oh.
Mary Jolly.
Bye.